everyone, my name is Storyteller Vanch and today we'll be reviewing a Lego Harry Potter set. Nice! It's my first Harry Potter Lego set. It was sent to me from America. It says over here that you will get Hedwig as the owl and you will get the private drive symbol with Harry Potter's trunk, history of magic, Harry Potter's photo with Ginny with a new baby. Wow! And Harry Potter's wand. Nice. Cool. So now I will turn Hedwig sitting on private drive symbol. Oh, and it says Hedwig is twistable. You can turn and twist Hedwig in any way. It also says that the Harry Potter set, the same thing it has. All this, it has the wand, magic book. It has the book of history of magic, he and Ginny, and his trunk. Okay. So as watchers, you might have watched Harry Potter's 1 to 7. So this is a Lego version of the Harry Potter's trunk. And just for reminder, Harry Potter 8 might come. I don't know if it's real or not, but it might come. So be ready, Harry Potter fans. So now we've made this. Yes, so this is our new Harry Potter Hedwig. It's exactly like the picture said. Wow, I'm impressed. Now let's see if it's detachable. Well, what do you know? It is. Look, it actually is detachable. Now let's see the back part. Okay, and it says you can twist the head. Exactly like how he said. And this is its feathers, wings. Amazing. Now let's put it back. Okay. So now let's review the box. Well, at the top there's the Harry Potter symbol. And over here there's this lock, handles at the side. Let's see how smoothly it opens. Wow, well, that's very smooth. Nice. Now let's see what it's inside. So we have the Harry Potter wand. Okay, so this is the cover, this is the box. Nice, it's sort of tiny though. The Harry Potter wand. It's actually only the size, it's not even the size of Hedwig. Then we have a picture of him and Ginny. Wait. And then we have the book of history of magic. Yes, the history of magic book. I'm seriously impressed. The best thing I love in this is the box. So I'd rate this a 5 out of 5. For the first time I'm rating this a 5 out of 5. It's amazing. One thing they could have done is also given the Harry Potter. And they could have made the wand a bit longer. But it's still amazing. I love it. So if you want this, subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe. If you want me to create more videos for everyone, then like and subscribe. Hit that button. And you will get so many new videos. I'm telling you. And please help me to get 1000 subscribers. It will be the first time I want to get 1000 subscribers. And thank you for all your support and love.